How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel Tech with KG. Today we're checking out the Nanoleaf Lines RGB lights, and this is something that I always kind of have my eye on. And when Nanoleaf reached out to me asking me if I want to try out their lights, I said, hey, why not? You guys have been asking if I could check out some RGB lights for a while on this channel, so this kind of just worked out. So there was no money exchange in the making of this video. All it was hey, they're sending me these products to check out, and that's really it. Now, this is not going to be a formal review. I'm just showing you guys how this works, and I'll let you guys know if I like it or not at the end, and you could take that for what it is. Now, I want to let you guys know that this won't be the only RGB lighting video that I'll do, because I really do want to have a cool lighting setup. I always found lighting really fun, so hopefully you guys find it fun as well. Let me know in the comments if there's any lighting setups you want me to check out. I'll be happy to do that. Okay, so now with all that out of the way, let's talk about what you get in the box. So inside the box, you have a piece of paper that shows the different kind of designs you could create with Nanoleaf lines. And there's a couple of cool designs. I have something else in mind that I'm going to try today. But this is the starter kit here, and I'm going to show you exactly how to build something with just the starter kit in this video. They also sent me the expansion pack here, but I will not be using that in this video until I figure out what my final design is going to be. For now, we're just going to try to build something really simple and different than the designs here. And yeah, but for the most part, if you wanted to create these designs, it's fairly easy, and I'll show you how to go ahead and set these lights up in a second. In the box, you have a total of 9 lines that you can connect, and this is in the starter kit itself. If you want additional lines, you'll have to purchase the expansion pack, which comes with 3 extra ones. So this is just a controller to put it into different modes. This is how you connect the lights together. As you could see, I am able to just snap them right into place here. And then the little caps that you see below that, those are going to close the connectors. So as you see, the lights are able to just turn colors in different areas, different sections of the lights themselves. You can control it through the app and have certain parts of the light just light up. And so this design, I made a KG, and we're going to go ahead and just make it light up so that one side is white and one side is orange. And then we're going to go ahead and show you the other modes right here. And all you have to do is just get the app off of the App Store or the Google Play Store, and you will be able to control your lights. It's fairly easy if you have Apple HomeKit. All you have to do is follow the setup and then just scan the paper that is given to you, and you'll have your Apple HomeKit set up. Now, in terms of having this for a RGB light, I really do think it is pretty bright, and it does add a lot of flair to your setup. It looks really cool. It emits a lot of light, and there's one thing that you can do with this light is you could either have it put behind your TV or around your TV to have a little bit of an accent lighting going on, and maybe something just cool to have in the background there. And you could also do it, like I said, above your computer battle station for PC gamers. And you can just do different types of combinations with these lines, and I think it's really fun to play with. It is really an awesome setup. And yeah, just check out the website for design inspirations if you do end up getting these lights, because there's a lot of cool stuff you could do with it. Well, that's it. That's all I really have to say about the Nanoleaf lights. Overall, I really do like them. I think they're really cool. I didn't have any problems with the app responding like I do with some other smart lights, so that's good. Nothing but really good things to say here. Nanoleaf, thank you again for sending me these lights. And yeah, they didn't pay me to make this video. I just felt like making it and trying out the lights. So hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.